New development tonight in a story that Channel 2 Investigates first exposed in a team investigation back in July. A rape victim jailed because she broke down on the witness stand. Now a hearing is being held about a bill that would change how witnesses are treated during criminal trials. Investigator Robert Arnold live in Austin with what this legislation could mean. Robert?
The Senate Criminal Justice Committee just wrapped up a hearing on this proposed bill that would impact how certain witnesses are handled during criminal trials. This proposed legislation was filed by State Senator John Whitmire in response to a Channel 2 investigation. Last year, we showed you the case of Jenny, a mentally ill rape victim who was put in jail for more than a month to ensure she would testify against a serial rapist. Jenny was put in jail on what is commonly referred to as a witness bond. These bonds are used to ensure that potentially problem witnesses show up for trial. Jenny is suing the county, and one of her attorneys was here today to speak to these state senators about what Jenny is still going through in her life.
Daily life for Jenny is a struggle, and things that you and I do that we consider normal, daily behavior, getting up, taking a shower, things that we consider normal we do without even thinking. For Jenny, those are struggles, and much of that struggle is related to being re-victimized.
If this bill does become law, it would require that before a witness bond is granted, there is a hearing in open court. And if a witness bond is granted, then the person being held has an attorney appointed to represent them. Those are two key points that were not in place when Jenny was put in jail. All of the 7 state senators on the committee were in favor of this bill. Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg was also here today testifying in support of this bill. However, there was some opposition. We're going to talk more about that coming up at 6 o'clock. Reporting live from the state capitol, Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.